Welcome back to another episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving. It's your girl Erica, and it's always a pleasure to be talking to my favorite people in the entire world. Yes, I am sitting in the bathtub. No, you don't get to see me, but yes, you get to watch me shave. So without further ado, on with the shave. Sorry, Mom and Dad. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below and tell me what was your sexiest shave. P.S. Mom and Dad, if you're watching this, sorry, not sorry. Anyway, thank you for watching Wild Women Wet Shaving, and I will see you beautiful people next Thursday. Bye.